Ever wondered how to make your PowerPoint presentations more engaging? In a world where attention spans are short, an engaging presentation can make all the difference. We will discuss 10 ways to enhance your PowerPoint layouts. Stay tuned as we delve into the 10 ways to make your PowerPoint presentation stand out. First off, always use high-quality images. They add visual appeal and keep viewers engaged. Remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Secondly, limit the amount of text on each slide. Too much text distracts from your message. Keep it short, keep it sweet. Thirdly, make use of infographics. They simplify complex data into visually appealing content. Infographics are your secret weapon for complex data. Fourth, maintain consistency throughout your presentation. Consistent theme, font, and color scheme are vital. Consistency isn't just key, it's the king. Fifth, don't shy away from using professional templates. They elevate your deck, lending a sleek, finished look. Professional templates are your fast track to a polished presentation. Sixth, incorporate interactive elements. Quizzes or polls engage and dynamize your presentation. Interactive elements keep your audience on their toes. Seventh, use animations sparingly. They highlight key points without stealing focus. Animations can add flair, but remember, less is more. Eighth, apply color psychology. Different hues stir emotions, enhancing your presentation's impact. Color psychology can subtly influence your audience's perception. Ninth, use grids for your layout. Grids maintain balance and alignment, ensuring your layout is always on point. And finally, remember to keep it simple. Simplicity enhances engagement and clarity. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And there you have it. 10 ways to elevate your PowerPoint presentations. From high-quality images to color psychology, each step adds value. Remember, engaging presentations are key. Now go forth and create engaging, visually stunning presentations.